Hey everyone. I'm your host Sarah. Do you want to speak English like a real pro? Not like a textbook, but in real life situations?
Then, you're in the right place. Because, in this video, we're going to teach you 25 powerful phrasal verbs for real conversations.
Whether you're meeting someone new, asking for help, shopping, or even giving a compliment, we've got you covered.
Each phrase is advanced, but super easy to understand, because we'll explain when, where, and how to use them, with examples.
Let's begin at once.
Okay, let's start with the phrasal verb family, ask. Let's begin with, ask for. Ask for simply means to request something. Basically, we use it when you want something from someone, like help, information, food, or permission.
Alright, how to use it, any examples?
Can I ask for some water? My wife always asks for extra cheese at restaurants.
And sometimes, I ask for trouble by singing loudly in public.
She asked for more time to finish the work. You can use ask for in both formal and casual conversations. Next phrasal verb we have is ask after. That's a more polite one. It means to ask about someone's health or well-being. You use it when you care about someone and want to know if they're okay. For example, I saw your mom yesterday. She asked after you.
When I was sick, even my neighbor's cat asked after me.
When I met John, he asked after you. Use ask after when you're talking about someone who is not present and you want to know how they are doing.
Alright, now, let's move to beat.
Let's go with beat back. Beat back means to force something or someone to go away, like in a fight or danger.
The firefighters beat back the flames.
I had to beat back my hunger until dinner.
She beat back her tears and smiled.
I beat back my fear before going on stage.
Alright, so we use beat back when we're talking about fighting against something, like fear, temptation, or even danger.
Exactly.
Okay, next we have beat down. What's that about? Sounds like fighting again.
Good guess. Beat down can mean a few things. One common use is when the sun is very strong. For example, the sun was beating down all day.
Oh yes, I've felt that in summer. Like, the heat was beating down so hard, my ice cream melted in 5 seconds.
Perfect! Also, beat down can mean to defeat someone badly, usually in sports or a fight.
Like, our team got beaten down in the match.
Exactly. Last week, I played chess with my niece. She beat me down in 5 moves. I still haven't recovered.
Alright, let's keep going with phrasal verbs. What's next on the list?
The next one is kind of strong. It's beat up.
Oh, I've heard it in movies, like he got beat up. What does it really mean?
Beat up means to hit someone many times and hurt them, usually in a fight. It's often used when someone gets hurt badly. The bully beat up the small boy after school.
He got beat up in a bar fight last night.
The old car looks beat up, it has so many scratches.
Oh wow. So beat up can also mean damaged, not just for people?
Exactly. It works for both people and things. If something is old or broken, like furniture, clothes, or a car, you can say it looks beat up.
My laptop is so beat up, it looks like it came from the dinosaur age.
That's perfect. Let's talk about next phrasal verb family, bear. The first one is bear away.
Bear away. Sounds like carrying a bear somewhere.
Not a real bear. In English, bear away means to win something, like a prize, a medal, or an award, and take it away with you.
Oh. So it's like when someone wins a trophy?
Exactly. Let me give you easy examples. She bore away the gold medal in the race. Our school bore away the first prize in the science fair. They bore away all the awards at the film festival.
Nice. But why are you saying bore away, and not bear away?
Good catch. Because bear is an irregular verb. The past tense of bear is bore. So when we talk about something in the past, we say bore away. If you are talking about present, you'll say, I bear away the prize. For past, you could say, I bore away the prize. While, for future, you could say, I will bear away the prize.
Got it. So bear away is just a fancy way to say, win and take home something?
Exactly. It's not used in daily speech too much, but it sounds smart, and you'll often see it in writing, news, or formal speeches.
Let me try one. Our team bore away the trophy, and the snacks afterward too.
Perfect! Trophies and snacks, the best kind of victory.
Alright David, what's the next bear phrasal verb?
The next one is really common, and helpful, in daily life. It's bear with.
Sounds serious. What does bear with mean?
No worries, it's not scary at all. Bear with means to be patient with someone. You say it when you want someone to wait calmly while you do something.
So, instead of saying, wait, I can say, please bear with me.
Exactly. And it sounds more polite and friendly. For example, please bear with me while I find the file.
I'm learning English, so please bear with me if I make mistakes.
Can you bear with us for a few minutes? The system is slow today.
I love it. It's such a polite way to say, hang on a bit.
Yes! It works great at work, in emails, or even in daily talks.
Okay, what's next on our bear adventure?
Next up is a strong one. It's bear down.
Bear down? That sounds like pushing something?
You're actually close. Bear down means to apply strong pressure, or to try really hard to do something. It's often used when someone is focused and putting in a lot of effort.
So, it's like giving something your full energy.
Exactly. Here are some examples to make it super clear. She bore down on her studies before the final exams.
I had to bear down and finish the report before midnight.
During the storm, the wind bore down on the windows.
Wait, David, can we also use bear down when we are talking about real physical pressure? Like someone pressing on a wound?
Yes, absolutely. That's a great example. Let me show you. The nurse told me to bear down on the wound until help arrived.
Oh, that makes total sense. It's like when someone's bleeding, and you press with your hand or cloth.
Exactly. In medical or emergency situations, bear down means to press firmly, not gently.
Got it. So whether it's about studying hard, playing tough, or pressing on a wound, bear down is all about strength and pressure.
You nailed it, Sarah. You're bearing down on learning English, like a pro.
Alright, it's time for our next phrasal verb family. Guess what is it?
Let me break the news. It's break, right?
Alright. So let's go with 3 powerful, break phrasal verbs that learners can actually use every day.
First one is break down. Break down has 2 popular meanings. First, it means when a machine stops working. For example, my car broke down on the highway. I had to wait for a tow truck.
The washing machine broke down again.
Perfect! The second meaning of breakdown is when a person gets emotional or overwhelmed.
She broke down in tears after hearing the bad news.
I almost broke down during my speech because I was so nervous.
Hence, breakdown can mean a machine stops working, or a person gets very upset and cries.
Exactly.
Let's talk about the next phrasal verb, break into. It sounds a bit scary. What does it really mean?
You're right, Sarah. It can sound scary, but it has 2 meanings. One is bad, and one is good. First, break into means to enter a place without permission, usually to steal something.
Like a thief.
Exactly. For example, someone broke into our house last night while we were sleeping.
The police caught a man trying to break into a car.
Nice.
Okay, now tell me the good meaning.
Gladly. Break into can also mean to start doing something new, especially a career or field that's hard to enter.
Oh, like someone trying to be a singer or actor.
Exactly. Here are a few examples. She's trying to break into the music industry.
He finally broke into fashion design after many years.
It's hard to break into acting without experience.
Wow, so it's useful in daily talk too.
Totally. Just remember, if you say, I want to break into Hollywood, make sure people know you mean the career, not the actual buildings.
Good advice. So break into can mean bad, like a thief, or good, like chasing your dreams.
Exactly. Well said.
Alright, so we've done break down and break into. What's the next useful break phrasal verb?
The next one is break up. It's a very common one in daily life.
Oh, I know one meaning, it's about relationships, right?
Exactly. Break up means when a romantic relationship ends. Like when two people decide not to stay together anymore. For example, Tom and Lily broke up last week. They're not together anymore.
They broke up after 5 years.
Or, you can say, they broke up because they argued all the time. Break up can also mean when something stops or ends, like a class, a meeting, or even laughter that becomes too strong.
Oh, that's interesting. Give us some easy examples.
The meeting broke up at 4 p.m. It means it ended at 4 p.m. Our class was broken up because of a fire drill. This means the class was interrupted or ended early.
So, break up has two meanings. End a romantic relationship, or stop, or end something, like a class, meeting, or laugh.
Well said. Let's dive into another phrasal verb family, that is bring.
Okay, let's start with bring out.
Good choice. Bring out can be used in many ways. Let's start with the first meaning of bring out. It can mean to show something clearly, especially a quality, feeling, or talent.
Like, when someone's smile brings out their dimples.
Exactly. Here are a few more examples. Wearing yellow brings out her bright personality. That song brings out so many memories for me.
Or, being around kids brings out my silly side.
Yes, kids always bring out the fun in people.
Okay, what's the second meaning?
The second meaning of bring out is to publish or release something, like a book, a product, or even music. For example, The Times brings out a Sunday magazine every week. The company is bringing out a new phone next month. They bring out a new chocolate flavor every summer.
So bring out can also mean launch or release, right?
Yep, bring out is simple, but powerful. And now, all our viewers know how to use it in real life.
What's next?
Next is bring up. It means to mention a topic or to raise a child. So, same phrase, two different meanings. First, let's discuss the first meaning of bring up, that is, to mention a topic. For example, why did you bring up politics at dinner? She brought up a good point during the meeting. Bring up basically means to start talking about a topic or subject, often something new or sometimes uncomfortable. Bring up also means to raise a child. For example, my grandma brought me up when I was little.
They were brought up to respect elders.
Good.
So cool. I didn't know it had two meanings. But David, do you bring up your kids like a strict dad?
Me, strict? Not at all. I just try to bring them up with lots of snacks and cartoons. Works every time.
Thank you so much, David. We just finished 13 powerful phrasal verbs, easy and useful ones.
And remember, we promised our viewers 25 phrasal verbs in total.
So, Don't miss part 2 of this video. The remaining phrasal verbs are waiting for you there.
But wait, before we go, we have a surprise for you. A real-life conversation, using all the phrasal verbs we just discussed, so you'll learn to use them naturally.
So, stay with us till the end and enjoy the conversation. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Please, tell us in the comments what topics you want us to make the next video on. Have a good day, everyone. See you in part 2. Hey Jake. I was about to ask for your phone number. I lost it. No problem. By the way, your sister wasn't in school. I just wanted to ask after her. She's okay now. She was sick, but the doctor helped her beat back the fever. That's good. The sun was really beating down today. Yeah, I feel like the heat is going to beat me up. Exactly, it's very hot. By the way, did you see that bird who suddenly bear away the sandwich from the table? Yeah, it flew fast. Anyway, bear with me, my phone is ringing. Go ahead, I'll wait. I have to bear down and study hard this weekend. Exams are near. Same here. My laptop broke down yesterday. I couldn't study at all. That's bad luck. Did you hear someone try to break into Mr. Rowan's shop? Yeah, but nothing was stolen. Also, did you hear Nia and Arjun broke up? Yes, I did. It's sad. Anyway, the new sports magazine just brought out a cool article on Messi. Nice. And don't bring up politics again, okay? We always argue. Fine. Let's get some cold drinks.